Can a guilty plea be part of a criminal plea deal? Have you ever wondered how a guilty plea fits into the world of criminal plea deals? Let's break it down in a straightforward way. A guilty plea is often a key component of a plea deal. In these situations, the defendant agrees to plead guilty to one or more charges. This usually happens in exchange for some benefits from the prosecution. These benefits can include reduced charges, a recommendation for a lighter sentence, or even the dismissal of other charges. The main goal of a plea deal is to avoid the lengthy process of a trial. It allows both the defendant and the prosecution to resolve the case more efficiently. Think of a plea deal as a contract between the defendant and the government. When a defendant pleads guilty, they are admitting to committing the crime or crimes. In return, the government typically offers some form of concession. This could be lowering the severity of the charges, recommending a lighter sentence, or agreeing to overlook certain aggravating factors during sentencing. It is important to note that the guilty plea must be made knowingly and voluntarily. This means the defendant must fully understand what they are agreeing to. In open court, a judge will question the defendant to ensure they comprehend the plea and are doing so willingly. Once the plea agreement is in place and the guilty plea is entered, the court will schedule a sentencing hearing. The judge has the final say on whether to accept the plea and what sentence to impose. This sentence may align with the prosecutor's recommendations, but it is not guaranteed. From the perspective of criminal defense, plea deals that involve guilty pleas can be strategic. They allow defendants to avoid the uncertainty and risks that come with a trial. Additionally, they may receive reduced penalties and resolve their cases more quickly. However, entering a guilty plea does mean giving up the right to a trial and admitting guilt. This can have lasting effects on the defendant's record and future opportunities. Defense attorneys play a crucial role in this process. They carefully evaluate plea offers to ensure their clients understand the terms and consequences before agreeing to plead guilty as part of a plea deal. This careful consideration helps protect the defendant's interests and ensures they are making an informed decision. In summary, a guilty plea can indeed be part of a criminal plea deal, serving as a central element that benefits both the defendant and the prosecution. Understanding this process can help individuals navigate the complexities of the criminal justice system.